Some shapes might look complicated, but they're a lot easier to create than you think. So we're going to start by grabbing the ellipse tool, and we're just going to make a quick circle. We'll set the fill to none, and we'll thicken up that stroke weight. And of course, we're going to pop it in the center. Now we're going to press Command or Control C, Command or Control F to effectively duplicate this in place and scale it down holding Shift until it is half the height of the circle. Now we're going to drag it to the left until it snaps centrally. And then with the direct selection tool, we're just going to delete that left anchor point. Now with the semicircle left, what we're going to do is grab the rotate tool, hold Alt or Option and click on this point. We're going to type 360/3, then the slash is for divide, click copy and then press Command or Control D to repeat that transform. Now we can select everything and rotate it around, and you can see we've divided this circle into 3 equal segments with some quite interesting shapes. Now we can select it, go to Object and expand everything. This is kind of an optional step. And then if we unite everything together into one single shape, we can then grab the direct selection tool, select the outermost point of the path, delete it a couple times, and you're left with a version of this shape with a solid fill.